discuss the color guide panel and how it provides you with harmonious options for color based on a base color that you have activated. So for your first part of your activity today, you're going to use this technique to color in the vectors provided. Let's start with the first one. I'm going to zoom in close here so you can see. Now the first one, I'd like you to use this color here as your base color. The way you can get this color is utilize your eyedropper tool. So let's take our eyedropper tool and let's sample from this color. Now that that color is in our toolbar as our fill color, we are able to use the color guide to kind of build a color scheme based on that color. To activate your color guide, you go up to Window, Color Guide, and a window should pop up here, a panel, and it'll have a whole bunch of options. So it should show you on the upper left-hand corner the current base color. It should give you a set of harmony rules and a whole bunch of shades and tints. Shades are when you add black to a color, and tints are when you add white. If you want different options, this little drop down arrow right here will give you different harmony rules. A lot of this terminology is terminology related to the color wheel. So if you don't know exactly what it means, don't worry about it. But you can kind of pick based on a color scheme you like. So let's say I like Triad 3. I can click on Triad 3 and it will show me a whole bunch of shades and tints of Triad 3. I also have the option on the bottom right hand corner to save this color group to my swatches panel. If I do that, then I go to my swatches panel, Window, Swatches. That set of color is here, so I can easily access it. Next, I can decide what colors I want for what part of this image. This is a logo, so I'm going to select it, look through my swatches. I think I want the base to be dark, and I'd like the insides to be really light, and this to have this green tone. As you can see, the colors really work nicely together, and I didn't have to do as much research on color. I also like to remove the stroke. Just personally, I select it all, go to Properties, and just take out the stroke. And now I have a really beautiful logo that looks harmonious in color. You're going to repeat this for each color here and color in the vector provided on the right.